Yo guys, so we're doing data structures and algorithms. So welcome to day 18, doing data structures and algorithms, and yeah, we're visiting the question is top K frequent elements. Thank you for 30 subscribers. Just get right into it, you know the deal. Okay, so given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements within the array. Test cases generated such that the answer is always unique and may return the output in any order. For example, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 7, 7, output 7. Okay, so I've done this question before, so I kind of have like a good outlook, but in general, so 2, 3, one of the two most frequent. This appears twice, this appears 3 times. When one most frequent, so that's a really bad example, that's so cheeky. O of n, so that kind of says you can do in one loop. So how do we do this? What do we need to store? So we need the number and how many times it appears. Then we need to be able to query it to return what is the most frequent number and how many times does it appear. Just turn on them because I can tell it's not on. Okay, so how do we do that? Kinda sounds like we need a dictionary. So say dictionary and let's just call it KVP classic key value pairs new dictionary instantiate it. Cool, got that. So now we want to iterate it over with a for loop and populate our dictionary. So what are we populating it for actually? We are populating it for, we are going through the numbers linearly. You're right. Through the numbers linearly, and then we're gonna say if the key exists, we want to increase the frequency. If not, we add the key to our dictionary. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So for n I equals 0, I is less than or equal to nums at length, and just I plus plus, and then we're gonna say that I plus plus. So now we need to fulfill these comments. Okay. So if KDP dot contains key I, then we do KVP nums I plus plus. So this is the frequency, and then for this we're gonna do else KVP dot add nums I. I'll just set the base to 1. Right, cool. just want to make this a bit more. Mouse D. Every good programmer's got OCT, to be fair. I care about readability so much. So how do we? So the actual objective is to return. So let's first go outside the for loop. So we want to return the k most elements. We can use link to order it by descending. Take k away. Select by the key, so we get the numbers. Create an array to return. Okay, so how do we do this? So you do something like, so in array, like this, why I like link, because it's so simple. Results equals kvp, what we're querying, ordered by descending. You know what's gonna make me get this wrong? If I can't spell descending. Then we get g equals g dot value. Then we say we take k away. Then we say we select by the key, what we're saying. That's caps. And lastly we say to array, and we're returning an array, so we can just do something like this. Return results. Okay, so this should work unless I spelled this wrong. So I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, so it passed. So that test case passed, that test case passed. How do we do? We do good. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.